Is your Windows 11 PC running slow? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 simple and effective tips to speed up your PC and improve its performance. Some of these tips can instantly make your system faster, and the best part is, you don't need any software. Let's get started. The first tip is, turn off visual effect. First, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R, then type sysdm.cpl and hit Enter. Now go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. Here, you'll see multiple options. Select Adjust for best performance. Then click Apply and hit OK. As you can see, animations and visual effects are now disabled. Things might look simpler, but your PC should feel faster and more responsive, especially if it's a low-end or older system. Now let's look at another method. Go to Settings, then navigate to Accessibility. After that, click on Visual Effects. Here, turn off animation effects to reduce unnecessary system animations and make your PC feel more responsive. You can also disable transparency effects if you want even better performance, especially on low-end systems, as it reduces GPU usage and helps free up system resources. This tip is very useful if your PC is slow, has low RAM, or struggles with multitasking. Disabling visual effects reduces background usage and helps your system run smoother. The second trick is, disable Windows Delivery Optimization. First, open Settings. Then go to Windows Update. Now click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Delivery Optimization. Here you will see an option called Allow Downloads from Other PCs. This feature allows your computer to download Windows updates from other devices on the internet, and even share updates from your PC with other users. While this can help Microsoft distribute updates faster, it can also use your internet bandwidth and system resources in the background. So if you want better performance and more control over your internet usage, simply turn this option off. This will stop your PC from sharing updates with other devices on the internet. As a result, your system will use less bandwidth in the background and your internet connection can feel faster and more stable. And that's it. Finally, go back to the Windows Update page and click Check for Updates to make sure your system is fully up to date. Keeping Windows updated while disabling unnecessary background features can help your PC run smoother and faster. Updates usually include security patches, performance improvements, and bug fixes that keep your system stable and secure. At the same time, turning off features that you don't really need helps reduce background activity and frees up system resources. This simple combination can improve overall performance and make your computer feel more responsive. And the third tip is, delete junk files using CMD. Open Command Prompt from the search. And type the following command. I will make it in the description. This command deletes temporary files stored in the Windows temporary folder. Temporary files are created by applications and the operating system while performing different tasks. Over time, these files can accumulate and take up unnecessary storage space on your system. By using this command, Windows removes those temporary files quickly without needing to manually navigate to the folder. This command is useful when you want to clean your system, free up disk space, or remove files that are no longer needed. However, keep in mind that some temporary files might still be in use, so Windows may skip those files while deleting the rest. You may also notice that some files cannot be deleted if they are currently being used by running applications. For best results, it's recommended to close unnecessary programs before running this command to maximize the cleanup process. Up next we have, clean up junk files using storage settings. To clean up junk files and free up space on your PC, first open Settings. Then go to System, and click on Storage. Here, click on Temporary Files. You will see a list of files like temporary files, delivery optimization files, recycle bin, thumbnails, temporary internet files, and sometimes downloads. Now, select the files you want to remove. Be careful with the downloads option, because if you select it, all the files in your downloads folder will be deleted, including important documents, videos, or images. So only check this option if you're sure you don't need those files anymore. After selecting the files you want to delete, click on Remove Files, then click Continue. And that's it, you've successfully cleaned up junk files on your PC. This tip is very useful if you want to free up storage space and improve your system performance, especially if your PC is running low on space. The trick number 5 is disable background apps. First, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows +R on your keyboard. Now, type pedit.msc and press Enter. Once the Local Group Policy Editor opens, navigate to Administrative Templates. Then go to Windows Components and select App Privacy. Scroll down until you find Let Windows Apps Run in the Background. Double-click on it. Now, select Enabled, and then set the option to Force Deny. Click Apply, then OK. Disabling background apps helps reduce unnecessary CPU and RAM usage. Some apps keep running in the background even when you're not using them, which can slow down your PC and drain your battery. This tip is especially useful on low-end PCs or laptops where performance and battery life really matter. So, when should you use it, and when should you avoid it? You should use this method if your battery drains quickly, your laptop shuts down unexpectedly, or you want to check the real battery health before buying or selling a laptop. However, you don't need to use it all the time. If your battery is working fine and you're not facing any issues, checking it once in a while is more than enough. This method works mainly on Windows Pro and Enterprise versions. If something stops working as expected, you can always go back and set the option to Not Configured. For best results, combine this tip with disabling unnecessary startup apps. And that's it. A simple and effective way to improve performance and save battery on Windows. The next feature is Flush DNS Cache. Go to Search, type CMD and open it. After typing the command, press Enter. This command clears or flushes the DNS cache stored on your computer. Your system saves DNS information to quickly access websites you have visited before. However, sometimes this stored information can become outdated or cause connection problems. By flushing the DNS cache, Windows removes the old DNS records and refreshes them the next time you visit a website. This command is commonly used when you have trouble accessing certain websites, when a website has changed its IP address, or when you want to fix some internet connection issues. And that's it. It's a quick and simple way to solve many common network problems. And the tip number 7 is disable Windows ads and tracking. First, open Settings. Then, go to Privacy and Security. After that, click on Recommendations and Offers. Here, you will see several options like Personalized Offers, Improve Start and Search Results, Show Notifications in Settings, Advertising ID, Tips and Suggestions, and other recommendation settings. You can disable all of these options to reduce background activity. Turning them off can help limit tracking, reduce unnecessary notifications, and slightly improve your system performance. It also helps reduce data usage in the background, which can be useful if you have a limited internet connection. So this tip is very useful if you want a cleaner, faster, and more private Windows experience. And that's it. These were 7 simple tips to speed up your Windows 11 PC. Not all of them will give the same result, but together, they can make a noticeable difference in performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.